Yeah, hello friends, this is Sunil Pawar here and I'm back with one more video. In today's video we are going to see the demo calls for tomorrow. Tomorrow it's a 5th of August and tomorrow it's a weekly expiry for Nifty and Bank Nifty, as you know, and as a follower of my channels, you understand that every Thursday, almost every Thursday, I give demo calls in social media. So this demo calls goes on to my YouTube channels, Telegram channels, and Facebook page, Facebook account. There are many Telegram channels where this video and these calls are broadcasted. So uh, these are the calls. Basically, Nifty call 16,250. We are going to track tomorrow, and if it crosses 41.29, then target 1 is 55.55, target 2 is 69.81, stop loss is 27.05. Nifty put 16,250, it crosses 55.36, then target 1 is 69.62 and target 2 is 83.88, stop loss is 41.11. See, this calls, this call and put both. If you see their current prices, if you see their today's closing prices, then you will find that these prices are below. Their current prices are below the entry prices. These entry prices, like for example, Nifty call 16,250. The entry price 41.29 is above the current entry price. Current price would be below 41. Nifty put 16,250, current price would be below 55.36. So tomorrow, if market goes up, if market starts moving up, call will activate. If market starts falling down, then put will activate. So this is the mechanism, and similar mechanism, similar system for Bank Nifty. So here, if call crosses the entry price, then we'll buy call. If put crosses the entry price, then will buy put. So this is the system, and all other rules I'm going to discuss in detail. So these are the preset rules which we follow while trading these calls. Before we discuss these rules, this is my YouTube channel, Sunil Suklal Pawar. Already 20,000 plus subscribers are there. So you can subscribe this channel, and this is India's unique channel, only one channel where you directly get calls. The follower and the subscriber of this channel directly get calls. Then this is Telegram channel. In Telegram you need to search Sunil Pawar Option King. Sunil Pawar Option King. If you search Sunil Pawar Option King, then this channel will open, Sunil Pawar Best Option Analyst, and the subscribers are 4,000 plus subscribers are there. On Telegram you can type this the address which you are able to see on screen directly, and then you can find it. But in Telegram, if you search Sunil Pawar Option King, then you will surely find this channel. Now let us see the rules. Rules like entry in trade only when call or put crosses its entry price. This rule I have already discussed. Rule number 2, if option opens with little gap up, then wait for the given buy level and enter at the level. If option opens gap up and hit target, then avoid trade. What does it mean? It means if Nifty calls 16,250, the entry price is 41.29. If it opens at 45, for example, then what the trader will do, the trader will wait for 41 to come, or it is expiry tomorrow, and on expiry day the premium is too less, so trader can buy 2 lots. If it is opening at 50, then trader can buy 1 lot there at 50, and other lot trader can buy at 35, so that his entry price, his average price is equal to the entry price. So that way also trader can enter. If it opens with little gap up, buy at that level and wait for the below level, which is the average level. For example, the trader buys at 45, so he is buying 5 points plus. Then if he buys at 36, 5 points down the entry price, then his average price will be 41. That way he can buy. Double the rule number 3, double the quantity of second trade when stop loss is hit. If call hits stop loss by double quantity of call or put, whichever activates it. What does it mean? It means if for example tomorrow we entered into call, Nifty call 16,250, if that call does not give us target and if it hits the stop loss, what we are going to do? So in that case, if call has already hit the stop loss, wait for put to activate. See, suddenly, see if call has activated and if call has hit the stop loss, in that case we are not going to buy put immediately after the call has hit the stop loss. So when we are going to buy put we are going to buy only when it crosses its entry price. So if put crosses 55.36 Nifty put, then we'll buy double quantity. Why here we are buying double quantity? Just because if for example two lots, a trader has bought two lots in call option and stop loss was hit, then if he buys 4 lots of put, then and if put hits first target, then 2 lots will recover the loss that happened in call option and 2 lots will give a good big profit. Those 2 remaining lots which the trader is holding as a trade, he can carry those lots, 2 lots till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost. If the trader is carrying those lots, then the stop loss must be on the buy price. If target is hit within 2 hours, then hold trade till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost. If for example a trader enters into Nifty call 16,250 at 41.29 and if the target 55.55 is hit within 2 hours, then in that case the trader will hold that trade till 3:20 p.m. with the stop loss on cost. Why this rule is there? Because see, market gives you a big rally someday market is range bound, someday market is average, means market range is average. So if there is any rally on Thursday tomorrow, then how we are going to catch it, how we are going to make maximum profit from that rally? The trader will buy for example 2 lots, premium is too less. If trader buys 2 lots, 1 lot he will book on target, 1 lot he will book on target, other lot he will carry with a stop loss on cost and he will carry till 3:20 p.m. So here trader is trying to make a big profit, trader is trying to make a big profit, but he is not taking a single rupee risk because he has bought 2 lots, 1 lot he has booked on target 1, so he has already booked a small profit, other lot he is holding with stop loss on cost. It means when he holds that trade with stop loss on cost, then he can make a big profit or he will not make any losses. So that way this is not related to only these calls. Friends, please understand, this rule is not related to only these calls. This is universal rule every trader must follow. How you will make big profit in market? Some traders start buying 10 lots, 20 lots, 50 lots, 100 lots just to make big profit. That is wrong. That is wrong style of trading. You cannot make big money by buying big lots. Just avoid that type of trading. If anybody is doing that type of trading, he must avoid it. In the first place, he should calculate how many lots every day he will trade. For example, there is a big trader. That trader is trading with 50 lots, for example. I would advise him to trade with 10 lots only. 5 lots always every day book on target 1 and 5 lots put stop loss on cost and wait till day end. In every week he will get 1 or 2 rallies every week. He will get a big profit every week. 1 or 2 days Nifty and Bank Nifty give one-sided movement, a big movement. Yesterday only we have seen that movement where our call options have doubled. So that way, see, whenever there is a chance, I will make big profit, and all your efforts and all your focus should be on protecting the capital. All your focus should be on protecting the capital when I will go for big profits, big shots in market. But I will not bet my capital for that. When you are buying 10 lots, when you are buying 100 lots, you are betting your capital. If that 100 lots hit stop loss, immediately you entered, immediately that stop loss was hit. So you will get a stop loss on 100 lots. But if you buy 10 lots, buy 5 lots, you book on target 1, and 5 lots you just put your stop loss on cost and carry it till 3:20 p.m. If stop loss is hit, you exit. If stop loss is not hit for whole of the day, maybe you will be in a big profit. This is not for only Thursday, this is not only for expiry day, this is for every day. I am telling. Never try to make big money by betting your capital in market. There is a different, this is the rule. What I am telling, this is the rule for making big money in market. Let the market give you big money, big profit. Let the market give you big profit. You do not demand big profit. If market favors you one day, it will give you big profit. Do not claim, do not demand, do not force yourself to make big profit. Let it be natural. 10 lots, 5 lots exit on target, a profit is booked. 5 lots, leave it. If my stop loss is hit, I will exit. Otherwise, I will not exit. So that way, if market favors you, it will give you a big profit. Otherwise, you exit. If stop loss is hit, you exit with zero profit, zero loss. With zero loss, you already made a profit in 5 lots. So that way only you can make big profits in market. So this all system is designed and developed with a proper system, proper discipline. And if anybody who follows these rules, this system should not make losses. So rule number 5, if any option call or put opens above target, then avoid these calls. New calls will be given at 10:30 am tomorrow. For example, I have given these calls today, these calls. And if these calls open above the target, if these calls open above the target straight away, then, and if the buy level never comes back, means they open above, for example, Nifty call opens above 55, Bank Nifty call opens above 375, or Nifty put opens above 70 and Bank Nifty put opens above 293, then in that case just avoid these calls. I will give new fresh calls at 10:30 am. So friends, these are the rules, and these are the calls. So let us see what happens tomorrow. Every Thursday I give calls, and then I update the performance also. So I will update the performance of these demo calls. So thanks friends, thanks for watching this video, and share all these channels and these videos with all of your friends, so that everybody takes benefit of these videos, this knowledge, these calls. Thanks friends.